We've had such a nice day today, although now temperatures are starting to fall. It's got a little cooler, but still temperatures right now in the 40s is 10 degrees above average for our high temperatures. And a lot of us made it into the middle and even the upper 40s today. So a pretty nice day overall, the warmest one that we've had in over a month. But now we're starting to get some systems that are approaching and we're seeing the atmosphere respond to that a little bit. Southwest wind or south wind for most of us between 10 and 15 miles an hour. It's going to continue to pick up into tomorrow as a low pressure system moves through. The increase in clouds that we've seen over the last couple of hours from south to north is ahead of that low. And now we're starting to see a few of those showers knocking on our doorstep into southwest Berrien County. This is all ahead of the leading edge of some showers that's back with our low pressure system to the west. It's all kind of connected. There's a surface system here. That's where those showers are coming from. This is the big low, though, that's going to come through into tonight and tomorrow. And at the same time, a cold front dropping out of Canada is also going to bring in enough cold air that we might be able to see a little bit of a changeover from rain to at least a little bit of icing or perhaps some wet snow, although most of what we're going to get is rain. And that's because temperatures are going to be at or above freezing, and especially down here to the south for places like Kalamazoo, 36, that's well warm enough that we would only be dealing with rain. Going into tomorrow, we're going to get up to about 38 degrees, but that cold front is going to come through, and there's a little bit of shallow cold air with that if the moisture is there at the same time, that's when we would be able to get a very small window of potential for rain changing over to ice or snow. Regardless, it will be breezy, and for many of us, for most of us, if not all, we are going to have our predominant precipitation type be rain. You can see the rain starting to move in, staying right around the 94 corridor and south through at least midnight. Some of this will creep to the north towards 96 by the time we get to the morning commute. It should be all rain. There's a chance that there could be a little bit of icing trying to mix in here right around 10:30 or noon. And as the cold front helps to push all of this precipitation to the south, you can see there's enough cold air here right around 94 by 4 p.m. that some of that towards the end might be a little bit of wet snow mixing in. But because temperatures are going to be in the upper 30s above freezing, any kind of mixed precipitation or winter precip that we do get, it's unlikely to stick. It's unlikely to make a whole lot of impacts for us, other than perhaps a few slippery spots on the road. So as always, it's just best to play it safe. Total ice accumulation could be maybe a couple hundredths of an inch, but again, it's not going to be accumulating. There is going to be a lot of rain that's coming in on top of that and melting it. Probably about a quarter inch of rain likely for the 96 corridor, much more to the south where we could get upwards of an inch of rain towards Kalamazoo, where temperatures are going to be almost for everybody above freezing. So this is going to absolutely melt a lot of the snowpack that's out there. Colder on Saturday, but we'll see some sunshine. Another chance for a wintry mixed system to come through Sunday, but it should be pretty warm and we won't really have to worry too much about that. Next week, a little bit cooler. We'll be right back.